So guys, today we're making some hominy corn porridge. So I have half pack of hominy corn. Let me show you guys the brand. So this is the pack. So I use about half of it. This is the brand that I use. So guys, I soaked it overnight. So from last night, I'm gonna wash it. I remember I'm gonna have to wash it thoroughly. Wash it till it runs clear. Then we catch water and leave it overnight. So now this is what we have it. So I'm going to add some cinnamon leaf and I'm going to add a cinnamon stick. So you can use either one, but because I have both, I'm going to use both. Then I'm going to add a little salt. It's a pinch of salt. You can't leave that step. That step you can't skip. And then I'm going to add some sugar. This is a quarter cup of sugar. So I gotta add that to it. I'm also gonna grate some nutmeg. Yeah, I'm just gonna grate some nutmeg. Just to start up the flavor from the beginning. So I keep the flavor in it. I might grate some more when I sweeten it, but let's start off with some nutmeg. Right? And then I pressure this. I have the anise and I'm gonna add it. Oops. Well, at this point, I don't have no option. Let's put this in the pressure. I'm gonna go with half an hour first. And then pressure this for half an hour and then we'll come back. Let's check on the can, you know. Just check if the can them cook. Okay, I will check it catch over off. Take the phone in a one hand, so. Alright, them a cook. Nice and good. Alright, so we'll transfer it from the pot here. Ooh. So this is what we're having here. So we're gonna make up a little roux or something like that. So that's what I call it. So I'm gonna blend up some coconut milk, some evaporated milk, and some flour for pouring at this. So I'm gonna use some coconut milk. I want it creamy, so I'm gonna go in with a little bit. Little more than half pack. I'm gonna go in with a whole pack of coconut milk. But not a thing in it, right? So this I will have evaporated milk. And I think I'm gonna use about half can of this. So this should be about 2 tablespoons. Blend up that. This to the pot and stir that in. And then I'm gonna add some water to the container and pour that into. Stir the flour in this way for constantly stir it for a little while before we stop, you know, because we don't want it lump up. So just continue stir it. If you have a whisk, you can use a whisk. But we just want to stir this heat in. And we keep this heat on low. Alright, so we just get some water in this and come 14. Alright, so we'll cook this pan low for a couple more minutes and then we'll sweeten. Alright, so we're gonna season up the pot now. We're gonna add extra flavor to the pot. So I'm gonna use the rest of that nutmeg, yeah. Nutmeg, not nutmeg, like I just said. Nutmeg. Alright. And just be careful on the finger. Go in with some vanilla. Go in with some cinnamon powder. I also have some rose and almond. So I'm going to look. Don't put too much of this kind of one. The taste too strong in it. Right, so we'll go stir this. And then we're going to sweeten it. Sugar already in it, can remember. But they add some sugar to it when I go pressure it. So now we have the sugar in it already. Come on. Look at the cinnamon that, you know. See if I press it, if them other pull apart. Yep. So this is either the nutmeg or the cinnamon. Clog up so what you can maybe do as I put in each one, stir it if you don't want this happen. And remember guys, keep it on low. Eat. Alright, I'll go in with some condensed milk. Mix this in. Alright, so we're gonna taste this now and see if we develop a flavor we like or we want something else. This is so good. This is perfect. So here we have it. So this is how you make hominy corn porridge. So I'm gonna just make them here. So I'm gonna give this maybe like 2 more minutes on the stove. And then I turn it off. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, leave it down in the comment section. I'll get to that. Subscribe, like, share, do whatever. Enjoy this porridge, guys. Yeah.